Good morning and good afternoon to every lovely viewers who's watching our video. And in today's video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can transfer crypto from Trustwallet to Coinbase. But before that, for all those people who do not know Trustwallet, Trustwallet is a digital wallet for storing your cryptocurrency, and it is one of the safest and securest wallet out there. So if you guys want a wallet or thinking to have a wallet, I would suggest you Trustwallet. And for those people who do not know Coinbase, Coinbase is the world's second largest crypto exchange by daily market volume of trade. And since it's the world's second largest crypto exchange, a lot of people use it and it's pretty secure. So if you guys want to sign up into it, I will leave a link in the description which you guys can use to get up to $10 bonus. And if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. Let's move on. So the first step is open your Trust Wallet and see which crypto you're transferring. So for this video, I'm transferring Polkadot. So I'm going to go on Polkadot over here. And on Polkadot, I'm going to go on send. Once you go on send, you want to open your Coinbase account and go on send and receive. Be on the receive section. And once you're in the receive section on the asset column, make sure to choose the crypto you're transferring. So I'm transferring Polkadot. So I'm going to search for dot. And after I search for dot, I want to copy the wallet address given over here. After you copy the wallet address, you want to open your, Trust Wallet again and paste the address which you just copied over here. And then enter the amount of Polkadot you want to transfer. And after you do that, click on continue. Once you do that, on the next step, it's going to ask you to transfer. But since I don't have enough Polkadot on my account, it's not showing me the transfer button. But if I did had enough Polkadot, there was going to be a transfer button. Once I click on it, my crypto would have been transferred. That's how you guys can transfer crypto from Trust Wallet to Coinbase. If you guys understand the video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.